These days, everyone's using AI talking head presenters like the ones from Synthesia. But if you really want yours to pop, you got to pair it with clean pro layouts. So I want to show you how we start with our layout templates over at CraftUXD. Then flip it into a custom layout like this in Camtasia, bringing your AI presenter right into this cool scene. I think for us the goal is to help you ditch boring flat designs like this one right here. That way you save on development time. I have already downloaded the PSD template. I will open it, then show you how it is laid out. You'll notice the layers are clearly labeled and set up for quick editing. The first thing to do is change the colors to match your branding. Let's say these are my company colors. I will opt for this dark blue one here for my layout. The next step is pretty quick. Just click the shape layers, adjust your colors, and you are all set. I'm going to speed this up. Good. This is the final look. The next step is to replace these placeholders with your actual content. Personally, I know I only need the shapes from this template, so I'll hide everything else, save the shapes I need, and then jump over to Camtasia. Your use case might be different. Maybe you just need a PNG for a webinar. Great. Make your changes, save it, and you're good to go. Need it for PowerPoint or Storyline instead? No problem. Adjust as needed and move on. These cover templates are flexible and designed to fit your needs. I'm in Camtasia now, and off camera, I saved my PNGs as individual elements from Photoshop, as you can see here. I already knew I'd be animating them, so I prepped them in advance. Then, I've got my Synthesia talking head here with a green backdrop, so I can key it out and blend it better with my chosen background. I also left this logo placeholder here. Let's just pretend that's my actual logo. Now, I'll probably fast forward through this part where I add the text, remove the green screen, adjust colors, apply visual effects like overlay or multiply, and animate the elements. Then I'll slow things down as I get to the final steps. And here's what I came up with. I added this office backdrop after keying out the green screen to make the scene pop. I also tweaked the talking head with some color adjustments, gave it a bluish tint to match the cool-toned vibe I've got going, and did some fine-tuning to blend everything into the overall scene. And these are the results I ended up with. I actually rendered 3 versions because this line here was throwing me off, so I wanted to compare how it looked with and without it. As you can see, you can also tweak some of the PSD template elements to get the look you're going for. So let me play each version one by one and you'll see what I mean. I personally like the last option, but I will let you decide. As I wrap up, I encourage you to check out our other suite templates. Each one is fully customizable for your design projects. By the way, the Photoshop template I used here is a freebie, available in the store section. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and sign up for our newsletter at craftuxd.com. This is Paul, signing off. See you soon.